Your front door is more than just the entryway to your home. It's one of the first things neighbors and visitors notice. In Middleburg neighborhoods, where homes often feature charming designs and a blend of traditional and modern styles, the right door can make a powerful statement. Upgrading with a stylish door installation not only enhances curb appeal but also boosts your home's value and creates a welcoming atmosphere. If you're considering a home update, here are some stylish door ideas tailored to help Middleburg homeowners transform their curb appeal. Classic wood and elegant wooden doors never go out of style. From rich mahogany to timeless oak, natural wood doors offer warmth and character. Adding decorative carvings or paneling can further enhance their appeal. Why it works in Middleburg. Many homes in the area embrace traditional architecture. A classic wooden door complements colonial or ranch-style designs beautifully while conveying a sense of craftsmanship. Design tip: pair a solid wood door with sidelights or a transom window to add extra charm and natural light. Modern steel or fiberglass doors for homeowners seeking durability without sacrificing style. Fiberglass or steel doors are excellent options. These materials withstand Florida's humidity better than traditional wood, and they come in a variety of sleek designs. Why it works in Middleburg. These doors are ideal for families looking for a contemporary update that requires little maintenance. Design tip: choose a bold color, like deep navy or charcoal gray, to create a modern contrast with lighter exterior walls. Glass panel doors for light-filled look. Doors with decorative glass panels provide a perfect blend of privacy and brightness. Frosted, etched, or stained glass designs bring artistry to your entrance while allowing natural light into your foyer. Why it works in Middleburg. Homes with shaded porches or covered entries benefit from glass doors that add openness and brightness. Design tip: opt for energy-efficient glass to maintain comfort and privacy without compromising on style. Double entry doors for a grand entrance. Installing double doors instantly elevates the curb appeal of any home. They create a sense of grandeur and provide functional benefits, such as easier entry for large furniture or entertaining guests. Why it works in Middleburg. Larger homes and those with wide front porches look especially inviting with double entry doors. Design tip: consider symmetrical glass inserts or matching ironwork for a balanced, elegant appearance. Farmhouse-inspired doors. The farmhouse trend continues to thrive, and a rustic-style door can give your home a cozy, welcoming feel. Features like crossbuck designs, barn-style hardware, or distressed finishes make this style popular. Why it works in Middleburg. Many neighborhoods feature homes with southern charm, and farmhouse doors perfectly highlight this aesthetic. Design tip: paint the door a cheerful color like red or teal to make it pop against neutral siding. Bold color choices for personality. Sometimes, the simplest way to update your curb appeal is by choosing a vibrant color for your door. Bright shades like turquoise, mustard yellow, or even classic red instantly draw attention. Why it works in Middleburg. Colorful doors add a unique personality and stand out in suburban neighborhoods where many homes have neutral exteriors. Design tip: coordinate the color with outdoor accents, such as shutters, planters, or trim. The value of professional installation. While style is key, professional door installation ensures your new design performs as beautifully as it looks. Proper installation means a perfect fit for energy efficiency and weather resistance. Long-term durability, even in Middleburg's humid climate. Secure hardware and alignment for improved safety. DIY approaches may seem cost-effective but often result in gaps, drafts, or reduced lifespan of the door. Final thoughts for homeowners in Middleburg neighborhoods. Investing in a stylish door installation is one of the easiest ways to boost curb appeal and home value. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of wood, the durability of steel, or the modern flair of glass panels, there's a perfect option to match your home's design and personality. By pairing your dream style with professional installation, you can create a front entrance that not only turns heads but also makes your home more comfortable and welcoming for years to come.